In this video, we're going to see an Actual Budget review. Actual Budget is an open-source, self-hosted personal finance manager that emphasizes privacy, speed, and control. It employs the envelope budgeting methodology, allowing users to allocate funds to specific categories, ensuring every dollar has a purpose. Designed for users who prefer a hand-on approach to budgeting, Actual Budget offers a minimalist interface and robust features without the need for third-party integrations. It utilizes a cash-based budgeting system where users assign real income to various categories. Also, data is stored locally, ensuring privacy and offline accessibility. It supports synchronization across multiple devices and offers bank syncing capabilities through simple FIN. There's also initiative reports, including net worth and cash flow analysis. It supports importing transactions from various formats like Key, IF, or OFX. Also, it features a robust undo system. It has privacy-centric, cost-effective, customizable, and community-driven. But on the downside, there are technical setups required because it is for tech enthusiasts, limited mobile experience, no investment tracking, and the learning curve, of course. So, Actual Budget is a powerful tool for individuals seeking privacy-focused, customizable, and cost-effective budgeting solution. Its emphasis on local data storage and envelope budgeting makes it ideal for users who prefer hands-on financial management. However, these looking for integrated investment tracking or a mobile-first experience may need to consider additional tools or alternatives. And that's it, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive more videos like this.